Hi everyone, in this video I'll be teaching you how to landscape one page in MS Word. First things first, you want to open your document in Microsoft Word, then navigate to the Layout tab at the top. Here in the Page Setup category on the left, just click on Orientation. By default, it is set to Portrait. So to change it to Landscape, you want to change a specific page to landscape without affecting others. Just highlight the content on the page you want to change, and in the Layout tab, just find the icon in the bottom right for additional options and click on it. In the Page Setup dialog, just choose Landscape under Orientation. And lastly, at the bottom, in the drop-down list, just select Selected Text and click OK. And your selected page is now in landscape orientation. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.